Bring it in. Alright boys, big game today. It's fucking massive. Surrey Hills, Div 4, it's going to be huge. They're hard running. Look, they haven't won a game in 4 years, but I see potential in them, and I don't want to risk losing to them, alright? Seen them kick 4 points once. Hard running, fast game. They've got big bodies. Colin, for fuck's sake, if you wear those glasses one more fucking time this year, you're not fucking getting a game. You look like a fucking nerd. Alright. Jason, the mouthguard tricks aren't funny, mate. But don't laugh, guys. Fucking big game, right? I'm going to be playing full back and I'm going to be playing full forward. Glove's going to help both ways. Alright. Cynthia, the only girl on the team, I want you to protect her today, boys. Get a body in, make sure that no one feels her up on the game. That's actually, it's getting bad. It's getting to the point where I don't think you should play anymore. But, you know, lesbians, fair enough. I get the point. You want to get some contact, you're a big body. Alright, celebrations. I want big celebrations today. You kick a goal, you celebrate, you get the crowd involved.
Come on, Tommy.
Get up! Oh.
That's funny.
Start again.